Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. And guys, today I'm going to show you if you want to earn money without any investment. So this video is only for you because guys, I'm just working on it and I'm making money from it. So as you can see in my dashboard, I'm in my website called featurepoint.com. You can get this website from description, and here you will see the my earning. I have earned 432 point. As soon as I will reach 600 points, so I will able to cash out it, and I will able to withdraw it through PayPal account. So make sure you have a PayPal account if you want to make money online. It's a very super simple way to make money online. It's depend on your location. If you are United States, if you are not from India like Pakistan, so it's a great opportunity for you to make money online. So here you can see this survey. Only you have to fill out the survey here, and you will get point, and point will convert into money. So if you want to make money online, I will highly recommend you, please go to this website and start making money online. So if you reach 600 point, you will get $1. And if you will get if you will reach sorry 1800 point, you will get 3 USD dollar through PayPal account, and then it transfer to your bank account. So guys, just imagine if you reach at least 600 points, so you will get 100,000 USD dollar. So it's a very amazing app, and it's a very fantastic website site. So you can get easily from here. And as you can see in my dashboard, I have four survey like this, and if I will complete it, I will get up to 4,000 point. So amazing, 15,000 point, 100 point, 100 point. If I will complete those surveys, so I will get money. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Please make sure you have subscribed this channel for more videos like this. And if you have any doubt about making money online, so you can comment me in comment box. Thank you, take care of yourself guys. Thank you so much.